Hi everyone, my name is Alix, teacher at Global Spanish, and I would like to share with you two of the most difficulties my students have when learning Spanish. Number one, the fear of speaking in Spanish, so that not to make mistakes, which is a real mistake because you are holding yourself back of practicing the language. So what I do in my lessons is I create a safe environment where my students feel confidence in speaking Spanish in practicing. Number two, the fear of learning subjunctive, because it is a mode that most of the time it doesn't exist in their native languages. So what I do is I prepare as much material as I can. I prepare games, music, videos, songs, so that through practicing, through conversation, we can learn, and I give them the triggers for using these tense in context. So I want to invite you to take on the challenge and learn Spanish with Global Spanish and with me. Thanks for watching.